Hello, hello. Right, we've got a really interesting one for you today. Well, I think it's interesting. It's kind of a culvert, but it's not a culvert. So there's like a small river that runs across the road there. It comes, yes please Meg, if you could plug the water in for us. It runs through here into this lovely lady's garden. Then it's chambered here. It's more of a directing water course into this chamber, which has filled with silt, so it needs a bit of a pump out. And then somewhere down here there is a river, and the pipe for it comes out just inside here. There she is, and it's just dripping. Even though that chamber's full of water, it's dripping. So we need to try and suck the silt out somewhat. Yeah, suck the silt out, try and establish a flow again. So we'll probably start here. We'll get that silt, we'll suck it with the mud sucker over into that hedge just over there, and then once we've gone as far as we can, apparently it's about 6 foot deep, and we're currently sitting at about 3 foot there, so there's another 3 foot below that. We'll get as much of that out as we can, and then what we'll do is we'll jet from the river up towards this to try and drag it back to the river, because it's fine to have silt in the river, but it's not fine to have silt in a pipe where it can just get backed up. Megan's on it. She's getting us some water. She's probably trying to work out how to turn the tap on.
No, I do know how. It's just dripping and I'm worried that it's going to like go everywhere.
That's a very small drip, don't worry about it. Is that on now?
Yeah, it's on. Yeah.
So what we're going to need, Meg, is the mud sucker,
Yep.
which you already know how to use. Just be careful not to smash that, because I reckon that'll just crack. Hopefully there's not too many stones in there. So, oh, some people might have seen, we decided to do an unboxing the other day for the new camera that we bought to do videos with. That is paid for by the views that we've had. So, there she is, looking at yourself. We are using it today, which is fantastic. Megan's over there, I'm over here. We're going to start sucking. Ready? Is it dirty? That's not that deep. Is it working still? Okay, might be something blocking it. Knock the blockage out. A quick look. There's definitely no blockage. There's not a lot of water come out though, did there? Ah, it's out of stone then. There you go. Good?
Yeah.
Ah. Megan's loving it over there. It's getting absolutely caked. Nothing?
No.
Better? Still good?
Yeah. Okay, slow it down.
Oh. Good? Oh wow. Okay. Don't fall in. That's not at the centre, mate. Get water out for a minute. Meg,
Yeah.
if it starts like that, you need to tell me.
Okay.
Yeah?
Fine. Okay, let's stop. And see when you stop.
So I just need to let it run back to here quickly.
Okay.
I'll let the stones run back. Nothing? Alright, quick look and see. Typical of me to get it everywhere. At least it's just mud. Look. Have a look and see, shall we? Well, the pipe looks clear, so it's probably clogging up somewhere along there. Keep looking, shall we? Oh look, loads falling out of that. That's really thick, isn't it? Tap that screen occasionally just to make sure you can see what's going on. Right, ready again? You alright?
Yeah.
There's quite a lot coming out. Mate, how have you got it all the way up there on the fence?
I don't know.
We don't want it on the fence.
Okay.
It's alright, we'll wash it off after.
No.
Hey? Right, it's got a little bit of a blockage going on. I need to move this pipe. Look at that, it's absolutely pissing in there. I don't know if you can see it. Hang on. There it is. Come in there. And then we've been pumping it. Let's go and have a look and see what mess Megan's made.
It's not that bad. I was trying to avoid the wheelbarrow.
What, smells nice? I like that smell.
Yeah, it's great.
That's a really nice, it's almost a sort of a fireworksy smell. I see you've
I
decorated the fence.
And myself.
And yourself.
Yeah.
That's fantastic. Don't forget to... Is it recording?
Yeah.
No, keep it recording.
Okay.
Just don't forget you've got it in your hand. Because you like that. Yes, it's fantastic. Yes, absolutely. Look at my trousers. Oh no, they're really messy.
That's a nice fence.
Well, yeah, there's no need to take offence.
Now, you don't want to do that.
Alright, starting the dad jokes. Okay, so what we'll do is we'll stick the lance on and we'll rinse this down afterwards. You can't have a 16-year-old girl working with you and expect her... But to be fair, a 16-year-old boy would have made probably more mess than that.
There probably would have been a lot more giggling as well because...
Yeah, way over fun.
Yeah.
Okay, right, so we'll stop this, we'll let the tank fill up and then we'll carry on once we've got some water. Yay. Ready? Stones everywhere. Yeah, that's not bad. So we're gonna need a spade or something. Now you got that one. I'll turn this one off.
Okay.
We'll try and get this before it starts to fill up. Try and move it all to one of the back corners out the way. It's very silty. All that. I don't think we're going to be able to remove all of that. Really based on how many stones are in there and how wet it is. Shift it over there. We might be able to suck some more of it out. I should have left the engine running. It might work on the key. Do you want to try?
I can try.
Just go up to it, just turn the key clockwise, so away from you.
Yeah.
It'll go chip, 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 and then you need to let go of it as soon as it's started.
Okay.
And then turn the water pressure on.
Okay.
If it just goes chip, 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 then
It's a bit,
come
yeah.
back. Because
Do you want to have this with you?
you
or
can
want to
take that with you.
Okay.
You can show everybody
Oh,
how
yay.
to start the engine.
Fun. Okay. It was already on.
Did I not turn it off?
I don't think so. Is that bad?
Let me check. Oh, it's on.
Yeah?
Oh, I turned it off.
Yeah. Am I alright to
That's cool.
come back now? Okay. Let's go hold
Yeah,
that.
you can hold that.
Yeah. Okay. It's aggressive. Trying to switch Yeah.
Right.
Okay. Alright, okay.
Just empties the pipe. Because our next step now is going to be to clear the pipe itself. It looks like poo, but it's not. I hope it's not.
Yeah.
Well, if it is, then I think that would be illegal. Rust.
Right, okay.
Yeah, it is poo. No, I'm only joking.
Don't scare me.
Rust.
Yeah.
Okay, so now we need to work out how we're going to get in there. I think we need to go down to the bottom end and come back to this. That's in. That's off. So we're going to start that up.
That scares me every time. That scares me every time.
Does it
When it
jump?
goes.
Just whilst it's pressurising. Right. So, what we're doing is I'll just jump down into this little ditch, or whatever you want to call it. There's our pipe. It's going to be absolutely difficult to see it whilst we go, but we'll do our best. So if you could turn that water on whilst I hold this and try and see if we can see what we're doing. Yeah, when you are.
Yeah, okay.
Should get a lot of silt come out. Quite a bit in there, yeah. Trying to hold it. But that pipe, the hose is stuck, mate. I'm stuck somewhere there. With your camera, you want to go and have a look in the other chamber and see if we come up inside it. Obviously if it comes up, shout loudly and move out the way. I don't want it to come up. Well, I might even be there now. Feeling that. Something in there. I'll hit the end of something. Can't seem to get through whatever it is.
Still not there!
Sorry?
Still not there!
Can you hear it?
No!
You can't even hear it?
No.
Alright, okay. I'm going to pull that back then. We'll go from the other end. We'll come back over here, Meg. Ready to turn it off? Very close. Okay, off. And there we are. Okay, so we need to go up and have a look at the other end.
Okay.
Take this. I'll wheel that back in. Ugh, catching all the leaves.
Oh no. Okay.
Got a bit twisted. Did you say oh dear?
Yeah.
Right, going again. Right, over here. It's going to be a bit dodgy, so I'd rather you stand over there.
Yeah.
I don't know what's quite inside that hole, if anything. So
I didn't see or hear anything.
until it takes, what I'll do is cover that up. If it comes back up at us, it's going to hit that. But obviously stand back a little bit. We'll see what happens. It's in there, which is fine. So Might be what I was hitting on the other side, you see. All this silt. Very slowly. Get something. That was the same as what we hit from the other direction. Solid.
Could there be a route?
Now we're going. This would be this like a funky joint. We needed to get round. Yeah, it's going. It's going. And then it stops again. That's going. What I'd like to do is come out in the river.
Do you want me to go and have a look?
Not yet. To be fair, you'll probably hear it if we come out of there.
That's true, yeah.
Going again. Stopped. We could just come up in the lawn. You never know. There that went. There are some obstructions on the way through. We see how that silt's coming back out.
Yeah.
That's possibly because we're just filling the pipe up with water at the minute.
That's a lot, and it's quite thick.
Yeah. So that's what's blocking the pipe, you see. What I have to do is pull that out. Stick something that's a bit more, a bit stronger on the thrust. We're making slow progress. Hope we don't come up in the lawn, eh? Roots in there. Oh, we're making more progress again. I'll go and check that water level in a sec.
Okay.
I'll tell you what.
Yep.
If you could run over to the culvert, the other end,
Yep.
and just tell me if you can hear it over there.
Okay. No, I can hear. There's water coming out of the pipe, but I can't hear the thing. The pipe.
How much? Is it just trickling?
Just trickling, yeah.
Right, good. And there's a lot of water flowing down this hole.
Yeah.
A lot of water flowing down. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn that on, I'm going to pull that back. Let me scoop that mud out of the way first with the spade. Oh, look at all that. So much. Yeah, there's quite a bit in there, isn't there? Oh, it still wants to go. Well, once it wants to go, I don't want to put it out. But you would have heard that by now. So I don't think it's going where we want it to anyway. Just don't get water on that because it's not waterproof. Don't think we're going to stop that from going down there that well. Let's try and scrape it.
Yeah.
That's the thing, isn't it? I reckon I'm going to grab the camera.
Yep.
It's a good flow there.
Yeah. Where is it going?
That's just it, yeah.
You want to hope it's not going in that wet patch down there.
I just don't want all this crap to go down there with it. I mean, the stuff that's floaty and light, I imagine it's not going to cause too much grief, but all this heavy stuff is a bit problematic, isn't it?
Yes.
If I leave that spade there, maybe that'll... It's not going to catch any of it, is it? It's going to make the pressure higher and it's going to try and pull more through. There's only so much I can suck out, although... Maybe if I left that there, in the way of it. I'm not really expecting to see anything, but if I can track it, then you'll know if it actually goes to that point or whether it goes somewhere else. And if we do see anything, then that's a bonus, isn't it? I'm not sure what that is. Right, let's find out where that is. Turn that on. Yeah. Okay. Come on, Meg. There. Well, we went further than that, did we not?
I think so.
Sure we did. I mean, that is running directly towards that hole. I think I'm going to send the jetter back down there and see if I can see it on the camera, I guess. Unless there's two pipes in there and they're both going in different directions, but I can't actually see in there, so I can't tell I mean, all of this crap here could be backing up from that point. If I chuck it in here and I don't, then what I'll do is I'll put the cutter up that end and we'll just chop whatever's in the way out the way and see if that works. That's always going to happen because I haven't even turned the engine on yet. I think we'll go down the river in a sec. I think that's far enough that you can let the camera at least. Like that on my trousers because my fingers are so dirty. It's better. Right. How's that? Much better. Nearly there. Right, should just be here. Mud, lots of mud, and whatever that is, and we definitely have not come through that. So I think we need to get up there from this end and try and clear whatever that is.
Okay.
I don't want to fall in. Right. Okay. Water on for me.
Okay. I'll try.
Yeah, it's quite difficult because I've turned the pressure up.
Oh.
I'm going to get caught up in that.
No, you're fine.
Off. It's it, Meg. That's it. So you've opened up the space and now I'm getting caught. Ah, there's our head and there's more trash or rubbish. Water on, Meg. Go for it. Off. That in. You have to get you a hammer for that. You can actually buy a foot pedal, you stamp on it.
Is that off? No.
No, it's not. Almost off. That'll do. I'm not sure, because I don't think my forward cutter is going to work. I really need to get that Reaper. It would have made life a lot easier for me. What I'll do is I'll pull that out, yep, and we're going to stick that reverse head on.
Okay.
I'll do that one back. Not a lot of pressure coming from that. I think I've got the wrong size. Right.
When you're ready.
Okay, ready?
Ready.
Banging.
Oh, I can hear you at the other end. Okay. Didn't come out where we thought it was going to come out.
Well, show me where it came out then.
Came out there.
What? Oh, there!
There. I know.
That's an overflow then. It actually came out there.
There, yep. You unblocked it and it came through. It's hitting the wall.
And so this needs to fill up. But it's not going to fill up because that hole down there. Okay, so we speak to the lady.
Okay.
Go. So that's a bonus then. So we've come out not where we were expecting to come out. By the looks of it, our customer wasn't even expecting it to come out there. So bonus that we've made it through, which means now we can go the other end and we'll cut the roots from the other end, which is just bloody good.
Yeah. Jolly good.
Jolly good.
Jolly good.
Get up there, we'll stick the other the root cutting head that we couldn't get any further from this end. We'll stick that in from the other end. Hopefully all the water that we managed to cut will come flying down there, and with the aid of our other GoPro we will see that whilst we're up there.
There.
Right.
Okay. Don't forget to turn that off. That's why I was...
So what I'll do is I will leave this one down here. We'll press record. Boom. And we'll stick it in the mud. Right. Will it go in the mud? Yes, it will. Move them leaves out of the way. Look at that. Hopefully, fingers crossed it doesn't fall over. That can just stay there. Right, let's go up the other end then. Oh, hang on, let's pull that one out first. Megan, you need to move.
No.
There you go. Sweet. Wind that back in there. Something in there. A Sutner, I think they call this nozzle. A Sutner nozzle.
Sutner.
And hopefully if we get the water back on,
yep.
if you can do that. We thought we were going to come out down there, but this here, which I didn't notice before because it was covered in crap, is actually where we've come out and it's full of roots. So we're going to cut them roots and then hopefully get a good flow. What's going on with this? I have no idea. Megan, is the pressure on?
Sorry.
On?
Yeah.
Alright, see how far we can get in there. Perhaps one in here. Oh yeah, there. That's as far as we can get in there. I'm going to have to hold that tight whilst you turn that on.
Okay.
Alright.
I know when you're ready.
Go on.
Ready?
Yeah. That's it. Oh. Okay. Yeah, we're gonna pull that back slowly. Okay. Go on. Can you pull the hose? Pull it, no, pull it. That's it. Go on, pull. Faster, Meg. That's it. Right, now we can put the reverse cutter on there and we can send that all the way to the other end. Take that. Cool. Right. Put that one off. Yeah. Alright. I could do this bit. You can just go down there and watch it. Turn it off. Right, so what I'll do now is I'll just put some water in this end, make sure it comes out the other end. Okay.
On?
Yeah.
Okay. Hold on.
Come on, Nick.
There you go. So many things in the way. Got that one. All good, yep. Okay.
Alright.
Okay.
Look up down the camera.
Yep. Yunk. That's really nice. Wow. It's not soaking wet, surprisingly.
Did it?
It wasn't
not.
soaking wet
It's
though.
got mud all over it though, isn't it?
I've stopped it now.
You can see the water coming out.
Yep.
Did it come out nice and fast?
All good, yeah.
Perfect. That's basically what we came to do. Megan got too close and got mud all over the new camera. She just can't help herself. Absolutely covered in it. That one's still on recording, is it? No. We turned it off?
Yeah.
Okay, so we'll turn that one off. Off. First time working with two cameras, so we need to get used to all that.
Yeah.
Okay, so we've de-silted in here. Perfect. There's a bit of water we could de-silt with this bottom one. We'll de-silt with this top one. The top one runs all the way down to the lake, river, sorry, stream. Okay. Oh dear. We've destroyed the plant matter in the area because we had no choice. But the water's running out of there, and the water running out of there is all the groundwater. It's not the water from the catch pit at the other end. So that is what it is. Is that on full? No, that one is. Yeah, so we've got a small trickle of water there, which is plenty. If she wants more water, she has to, well, they have to basically fill that chamber, and the only way to do that is to block off the bottom hole. But they don't want to do that because one day they'll have too much water, and then they'll end up with a torrent, which you don't want a torrent in your garden. So no, stupid bloody thing. There, right. So I think that all we need to do now is pack away our mess, which isn't great. It's not a lot of it. So I think
we're sorted.
We're sorted. Well done.
I remembered.
Good. There we go. So yeah, all the best. We'll see you in the next one, which will probably be another route one because I think there's one coming up. So we'll see you there. All the best. Bye.